Hi, good morning folks. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum. How's everyone doing? So this is my first video that I'm going to be uploading on YouTube. So we look forward to all your comments and your blessings to take this channel forward. And please do subscribe to my channel. The link will be in the description below. And this is the WTF, so don't get confused. It's World Travel and Food. I love to travel and I love to try new cuisines from across the world. So this is my first thing for the first motovlogging channel that I'm going to do. I just bought a helmet recently. This is the Axor helmet. I bought this in Bangalore at a store called Helmet Paradise. They are one of the largest distributor for Axor helmets. As most of you know, Axor is made by Vega, one of the well-known brands in India. And there are a few reasons I bought this. It was available at my price point, and this was one of the best things I could get, and it met most of my needs that I required. So if you can see here, it has a 2-year warranty, and it's an ABS shell, and there are a few more other features that we will show, and let's go ahead and do the unboxing and let's see what's inside. So this is a nice thing that we have. And then we have this Axor helmet symbol, and then it's wrapped in a nice carry bag for us. So once you open this, as you can see inside, this is the color I have chosen. So in goes the bag, and this is the helmet. So there are a few things they've given us along with this. This is the warranty tag that's there, and this is the helmet spray to freshen up, and there are a few stickers. You can have a few things, just a head cover, and they're also given a balaclava that's there. And this is the helmet. So as you can see, I have right now not peeled the sticker because we'll do the peeling here today. That's there. So this is a size large that I have taken for myself, and this range of helmet is known as the Stealth range, and this specific design is called as the Crazy DV. I think that's what it's called. This is the black, and it's a matte finish, black with grey and orange, and it has this nice funky little monkey picture at the back, so it looks nice. It's a bright orange. I love this color, so it kind of stands out even in the dark. Nothing too crazy graphics that you can see around, right? But pretty nice and solid, easily visible out in the dark. That's that. So it has a solid ABS shell. It has these 2 vents on top, inlet over here. There's a vent below over here also for easy ventilation. The exhaust is right here at the back. It's a clear visor that you can see, and then it also has a dual visor which drops down like this. So if you're riding out in the day, you can also see that it has a nice visor that is there. So we drop down, drop up. It's a very nice solid mechanism that's there. And this is an anti-fog visor that we have, and slightly scratch resistant also, but well, as you use it, it will definitely get scratched. Well, inside you can see that there's a nice foam padding that's there, removable cheek pads. All the pads inside liners are removable, okay. And then you have this thin chin curtain. I was not a big fan of the chin curtain. I'm sure they would have done a better material with this for better noise reduction inside the helmet, but it's there, which is a good feature. And it also has a nose guard that's there, so it kind of gives you a good protection that's there. And a very important safety feature which is required is that it has a double D ring strap. So although not many people prefer it for city riding, but for a person like me who prefers it for touring and other purposes, double D ring is definitely a safety feature that will go in a long run for your providing your safety. And over here you can see that it is DOT and ECE certified. So that is, DOT is for the US and ECE is for the European standards. So it meets those, which is a very good reason to buy one of these helmets, because these are much better standards than the ISI standards that we have in India. And I'm sure everybody has cleared the confusion about the Bangalore traffic police asking people to pull over if they don't have an ISI thing, but now I think they kind of understand what do they mean by DOT and ECE. Okay, so now folks, we'll before we close, we'll go ahead and peel this stickering down here, and we'll do this. Yeah, and 1, 2, 3, done. Okay, so we have removed the liner. There you can see the helmet in its full glory. That's there. So that's the visor up, and that's the dual visor down. Okay, and we can remove the sticker also. Yes, so that goes the second sticker, and now the helmet is ready to rock and roll. Okay, so thank you so much for listening to us, and goodbye. See you in the next video.